Hi folks, Luca, Sharper Trades, welcome. This is a quick inside look on the Plus. Plus is our bundle product that combines several alert services. The first one is called block orders. Block orders is a place where we identify large dark pool activities within the dark pool exchange, which is an exchange hidden away from the public eye. 40% of smart money traded publicly are traded in the dark pool activity away from everybody's view, so they can do their own business before things get publicized. And so that's the place where block orders we start analyzing. That's the first step of our analysis in terms of finding where activity is happening. And block orders provide an opportunity to go long if price breaks above a specific level, and I give you those levels, or go short if it breaks below a specific support levels. Again, in the block order alert service, we identified those orders, large orders. We give you support and resistance level for breakouts and breakdowns, and then targets depending on the direction. And then depending on that analysis, whatever shows up moving forward, I watch charts with the candlestick analysis, volume activity, intraday volume activity. Then I also take a look at action call activities, repeated call sweepers especially. And then if things match the candlestick analysis, volume activity, the block orders, the call activities as well, then I do issue an official swing. And the official swing are covered in the basic plus. Basic plus is our long official swings. That's where all this analysis is done. And when everything or almost everything matches the parameters I've analyzed, then I issue the official swing and goes out to basic plus. Block orders and basic plus combined, they are part of the plus bundle, right? Plus bundle. So if you join plus, then you have the opportunity to take an inside look prior to the official swing is issued. In addition to these two, Plus also gives you access to investors, stock investor. Stock investor is a place where we find the companies that have disruptive potential to be market leaders in the next several years, decades. And we find companies that have unique qualities. Oftentimes they're in the tech sector, some other sectors as well, but the majority is tech sector because the intention is in the disruptive technologies, which often happens in the tech sector. So many of those are growth stocks, and that stock investor, which is also part of the plus bundle. So these three combined give great value to plus. Plus is the bundle of these three. In addition, if you do like to join the trading room, which is the place where myself, Susan, and other traders spend quite a little time analyzing charts, looking at the market, and that's where we do day trading. You can participate in conversations, and that's where a lot of the analysis is done, bounce off ideas, reading news, posting things in the trading room, getting additional information from the day trading activity intraday, looking at book viewer and other day trading tools that we have in our toolbox. Pro is a combination of courses and plus. Right? So those are all the services that we have. So this is an inside view of how we do this process. And so if you haven't joined yet, do so. You can try some of those services, individual ones or bundles. There are specific coupons. So take a look at the coupon posted here in the link somewhere, anywhere around this video. And we'll see you inside.